Hey guys, it's Brendan, and I'm sorry I'm talking kind of quietly, but my mom is kind of sleeping, and it's only like 5 in the morning, about 6 in the morning, so yeah, that's why I'm talking kind of quietly. You guys are probably wondering why I'm in the bathroom, so I will tell you right about now. I am doing this tag. I don't know if I created it or not, but I thought about it, and yeah, I don't know if I created it or not, but if I did, keepy. So, yeah, I'm going to call it the RATCHET MAKEUP tag or challenge. I don't know. So, yeah, this is going to be the RATCHET MAKEUP tag. So I'm just going to use the makeup that's in my mom's bag and make myself look really ratchet. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm just going to get started. I will be naming the products that I am using, and I'll show them up close. So, to start off, I'm using some Lumi True Match makeup. I think it's I'm not really sure, but that's what it is. That's the only really, that's what it is. I think it's a base makeup, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to apply this on my face, just in a random spot. It's on my finger. Make it really gross. Look in the mirror here. Not my skin tone really, at all. Yeah. So next I'm just going to be using this regular brush. The logo is kind of falling off. That's all I can see. So I'm just going to take it and just rub it on some of this. By the way, I do not know how to put on makeup. I've never really put it on before. So yeah. Next I'm going to be putting on some mascara. Here is the brand. Right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it as a mustache. I'm not gonna do any eyeliner or anything, I don't think, so. That's all I'm going to apply. So here's the first outcome. I feel pretty. Next, I'm going to apply some of this stuff. Here is the brand. It's a glittery gold color. I have no idea where this goes, but take some on my finger and it turn into Kesha. Yeah. Don't I look great? Can't really see it in the light. Can't. No idea what that is actually. The next thing I'm going to be using is some of this powder, and there is not really a brand name on it, just looks like that. So, yeah. I'm going to take some of this powder and put it on my face. These are what happened right now. So, yeah, I just threw it on my face, and these are my hands. So, yeah. Lip Gloss by Caligon. This doesn't look very good, and it doesn't taste good either. So I think I'm going to apply the mascara one more time. Sorry I'm talking like this, but that lip gloss is really gross and nasty. So, yeah. I look so horrible, and I need to wash this off. Angeline. I'm gonna wash this off now. Okay, so yeah, trying to get it off right now. Okay guys, so I've managed to get everything under control, so I hope you guys like this. This was the Ratchet Makeup Challenge. I don't know if I created it or not, like I said, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Probably was that entertaining, but yeah, so I will see you guys later. I will make another video later today, probably, I'm not sure though, so don't count on it, but I will see you guys later tomorrow, later today, so yeah, bye!